I sign a memorandum order that is the signal to process all the papers. But that is after I have continuously consulted with the lawyers. Why are we signing this?
In his testimony before the Senate Committee on Justice and Human Rights on Monday, September 2, 2019, Bureau of Corrections Director General Nicanor Faeldon had to admit that he had signed what he called a memorandum of release, saying that this was just to start the process for the eventual release under the good conduct time allowance for Antonio Sanchez, former mayor of Calauan, Laguna, who was convicted for the rape and murder of Ellen Sarmenta more than 20 years ago, and her companion. But Faeldon added that he stopped the processing for the release of Sanchez, probably because of the public outrage that erupted after the news leaked that Sanchez was about to be set free.
There is a, as far as the ex-mayor is concerned, there is a memorandum of release recommended for his release.
By whom?
Recommended to me from through channel up to the Deputy Director General for Operations, and it reaches my office.
But the buck stops with you. Did you sign that order or not?
I did not sign the order to officially release Sanchez.
Bakit sinasabi ng mga bata, nung tinawag sila, pagdating doon, kinocongratulate na sila ng lahat ng mga tao doon sa Bureau of Prisons. At sinabi pa sa iyo, akala namin, Director, sir, pinayagan nyo na. In fact, naganda na yung mga bata, dadalhin sa Japanese restaurant yung kanilang tatay, dadalhin sa eye doctor.
There was never a completed release order of ex-mayor Sanchez, sir. There was never an official release order.
Was he fingerprinted?
None, sir.
I was told that he was fingerprinted. Remember, you're under oath.
Yes, sir. I checked that. We checked that yesterday. If he was fingerprinted, he was not, sir.
Mabilis ako.
Yes, sir. But I signed a memorandum order that is the signal to process all the papers. But that is after I have continuously consulted with the lawyers. Why are we signing this? Now,
you can consult as long as you want, but
yes,
you signed the memorandum order to start the process. Is that correct?
I stopped the process, sir.
So,
Faeldon, don't be a lich. Huwag kang maging linta at kumapit pa sa pwesto mo. Mag-resign ka na. Pa-deny ka pa na hindi mo napermahan ang release order para kay Antonio Sanchez na makalabasan siya sa bilangguan. You claim it was just a memorandum of release that would have started the process, but you recalled it and stopped the release of Sanchez. Paano naman kasi? Pumutok na sumabog na And because of the public outrage, you were just forced to recall and stop the release of Sanchez. So don't give us that BS. Ngayon ikaw mismo nag-confirm na yung mga convicted rapists and murderers sa kaso ng Chong sisters sa Cebu, nakalabas na pala Pati na rin yung 4 na Chinese drug lords who were convicted to serve life imprisonment for their crimes against the Filipino people, nakalabas na rin. Mabuti na lang na hold ngayon sa immigration. And there are about 2,000 other convicts, many of them involved in heinous crimes, who have also been released from imprisonment. Malaya na sila muli. This is simply unpardonable. You say, a memorandum? Ina! Anong akala mo sa taong bayan? Mga tanga? Stupid? Your actions are a betrayal of the public trust. You also betrayed the president himself. In Japan, such behavior would have led a public official involved in such a scandal to commit seppuku. But that is not in our culture. And I don't think you are not brave enough to do such a thing to redeem your honor. So, simple na lang, mag-resign ka na.